Ebusham for aha Ghana TV GH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusham for Captain Smart. Captain Smart. But I don't know. We have come to know himself. Oh yeah, Captain Not So Smart. So Captain Not So Smart has been speaking. Na Nikasa Mono. Ebusham for or see. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, any NDC for more disappointing. Now disappointment way there, sunko esan say, mube kaya NDC for baba mona, amosi bibi ye oral enyesa. Na yena eko primary I think primary no yenim say oral there, oral English and mathematics. Ya ba no pa na say 2 + 2 kaka unya unwanza na ene dia maw next person ba NDC 4C omudie oral no can say operation recover all loot kire say NDC 4C ko for bia wiaska wan mu na wiaska na you and I were not there ena akọchi abrantie bi Mama buying we are. Omo akọkọchi abrantie bi friend ko abna edu. Na sa abrantie no, oye juma was Signals Bureau. Signals Bureau. Na Signals Bureau no, oho na sa IP address anajo mama ka say wa be ya no bia betresi wo IP address no. Oho na yes adwuma no. Sa Signals Bureau no eno so ka national security ho achimbe makwaba eka national security ho enti one very very important aspect of mine running Signals Bureau no na yakwakochi bema no se ya yesi besa bema na oti ho no we wiaska yesi kwabna edu buahen no we wiaska say ya you see, we are almost over some 18 million Ghana cedis. Now, assembly mono before even this AG Attorney General, Dr. Dominic Ahini, Eddie assembly court no. Obey who press conference. You see, share evidence is I will hold here. Sa guy I friend no kwabna edu buahen here. Obey them. Attorney General no. Or see evidence or no Attorney General no wagada no. Any nsema ya trofasa kwabna edu buahen no. Ewo omu oral report ni mono. Guy no obedem. Mama day akwaba. Enti na obi say ye kwabna. Ohwana the same Attorney General Dr. Dominic Ahini. Wakwako tam guy no ni yire properties na omuye real estate. Ejomu properties omagada over time. Ejumadi omaye over time oni ni yira ye over time. Agada some small money omudi yomu business no. Dominic Ahine akwa tam sa list of the omu houses no any properties no and odere to abontin. Say panisena guy we akoda kiti say we onu to otimi odan wa ha. But Dominic Ahine has forgotten say obi on the team my friend Sami Jemfi. Na Sami Jemfi kra no obi ana oye choba attender no. There was a say no. Obi ani ebia MPP mu say among the young people always ask can be. And that is the way Dominic Ahine any Justice Remsai edi se kwabna edu Jemfi edu buahen edin almost say guy no poto. Ebusuanfo say court no assembly na court. Na assembly mono the way it is going in say Attorney General no our witnesses kire say or see nkrofobia ometimi adi adanse say omu oho na they can testify say kwabna edu boan we wiaska no. Mako fan nkrofo no ba. Mami bi wo ma oye na onu na ye head of finance. Kire say ska bia beba office no bia no onu na hwe so. It is obi be wiaska sama menu no be hu say papa we wiaska. mami no okojina stand me bisa no say mami yes si Kwabena Addo bu ahen we wia sika bi mami no si wo court ne mu o si sa sika ye bo ne di no ye bo amount ne no no money of that sort has ever come to that office yentie ni ye o mami no si sika NDC for si Kwabena Addo bu ahen no ewia no no money of the sort has come to their office na onu ebra na oye juma was our signals bureau no ebra na oye juma was our signals bureau no ye be ye auditing de bia e was sa studio sa company signals bureau hono one Ghana city crying rather aban no almost star witness no aban star witness. That is what she said ever court. And the lawyer for Kwabena Addo bu ahen he said there omo comfortable lead mu I was say my court. And this matter has come into the news. And over the week no Captain Smart eba bonti beka say why disappointed adentia Captain Smart nan kasa na eka say mutie ni ye Captain Smart eka say onu Captain Smart no wa frɛ wa letter ama Israel company a national security for no ekoto some software ni nyama bi ewo mu nkyɛn no wa frɛ omo ebisa omo sɛ no kure sɛ Kwabena Addo bu ahen abeto software bi omo ho ana na Captain Smart say ɔtwerɛ letter no edi masa Israeli company no omo they responded to him omo yina no and the company in Israel has told Captain Smart say nukre Kwabena Addo bu ahen no guy NDC for accusing no wa beto software bi sa na software no software keke different installation some of this installation intina jo mama betnya gina aka say wa be ya me bia no metrisi IP address sa software na sa NDC for we use it chip Obama because someone say na say Obama obi anim ni picture yes sir now so you're anonymous. But the way national security was able to locate that guy was through the software Kwabena Addo bu ahen kotoye. And the Israel company no ejetum say they've sold the software to National Security of Ghana. And the akoba say guy no one Ghana city mpo. And see wo na mami na we star witness no. Osanka say na court judge me nim say Kwabena Addo bu ahen or the ska eboa NDC for campaign Kwabena Addo bu ahen no or the national security ska the boa NDC campaign ahead of 2024 election and to move list name what me say the V8 me be my John Mama some fire campaign. That is the reason why NDC tibonko su NDC for amubeka say ebra na mama ye campaign no ni nua Ibrahim mama na toka amano no na ohu na visa na bonasum because an nipa ni sense there omuntemu wapa right and obia na our national security ultimately on mind sika e support even opposition government no enne sana NDC for be disgrace no enti yebisa enti do you now understand why we were shouting say uwo keza say attorney general no nim say uwo keza the best place to go is to the court enye news item enye media briefings when you know you have a genuine case say unim say Kwabena Addo bu ahen we scar the place to go is the court is not to come and hold a press conference now and now is coming to light say Sir Kwabena Addo bu ahen did not steal any money because it's your own witness that said that to the court. So what happens to Nidia Museye and Dominic Ayine, Justice Remsai? What happens to Nidia Museye? What happens to Onini wife Amu disgrace? What happens to them? I didn't hear idea, sir. Apparently, I say who say a deputy attorney general. I say ono journalist be twimpena. Yan bisa ye on bisa ni hu say na oni journalist o mu twimpi na say journalist nso ye lawyer no say obi e di asem bi e di be bata no saa na asem na concern relationship abe ni de enye ni de but you people they dirtied and muddied the name of Kwabena Addo and you see Captain Smart where the member say mama where the why idea say after insulting Kwabena Addo after saying all manner of things against Kwabena Addo no and who Captain Smart wa ba ka say o no kranya meaning where there be na yehu ni ye mahama na mislead you usu ya journalist asemba research kakra Ghana for journalists they move per breaking news odo Ghana journalists they don't like doing anything research you say as ofreg Ghana nini bi journalist bi say oh say ni say you on frère family ne busa ne bisa o so camera o breaking news no first mo se Kwabena Addo reputation kwa and to say Kwabena Addo see obekwa ko si o man no obe si o man no fefefe se Kwabena Addo o pescaji o man we ho judgment debt obeji fala defamation obeji fala because na sorry crowd on what disgrace no na dan for no tell what disgrace the whole country on in ire what disgrace you and you have put your properties into jeopardy because no who attorney general who the properties properties list about abontin ebe ka say oh our fear way our tema our fear way our Shoman estate so you have put their properties into jeopardy sometimes ye papa mu ni ye nuanu mu a omu kan esa a vetting committee ni hu no sometimes don't be raising our hopes too much because me kai say when Dr. Dominic Ayine attorney general eba vetting na afanyo makemu emanu fan say oh no dey omunim no say obetimi ayajuma no omunim say na adwumu dopa eba no law onu so one of the big people law mu Ghana one of the big people in here. One of the big people, nipa najum doa, you see one of the best lawyers of the country, Dominic Ayine no. Na enoni. Ene public eye court wa bia man de ho so ni case gra or be senk of ording. Say should be you. And should be na the foundation that NDC is laying no, a very very bad and evil foundation. A very bad and just an evil foundation. And I won't miss words. I will not miss words. Every time for